Welcome to Sunshine Art and Drawing. Today I wanted to share this little bit of an unboxing, or I guess it's kind of an untubing. The lovely people at the Kurzesagt or the In a Nutshell channel, I'll link them below. They saw my video that I did on the Kurzesagt colouring book and they sent me a package and I'm opening it right now to show you what's inside. So let's get the tape off the ends and we'll get started. And there's their little logo. That's how I knew it was from them. It actually got lost in the post. It was supposed to be here early April, and I know you're telling me it's the 1st of May. I know. It got lost in the post, and they finally found it today. So I'm opening it for the first time and having a bit of a look. And from what I can tell, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. But I've opened it up and tipped everything out. So we've got it all in front of me and let's have a look what's inside. As you can see, it's empty. It's kind of hard to show you an empty tube. Can't really get it underneath the camera very well. But let me pop that to the side. So the first thing that I'm noticing is that there's a whole bunch of these sticker sheets. Like in total, I got 6 of them. I'm just making sure I got them all there. And also this massive, massive, beautiful poster. So I'll sort of spread it out, but I'm going to show you at the end. I took some shots with my mobile phone just so that you can see what came with it and a bit better detail. And here's a postcard. They sent me a postcard and it's just a thank you for the nice video, which I'm pretty happy with. But here are the stickers. So you get some like vegetables and a little ant at the bottom. And then this one's got just some people. I love that ninja star. And then some more little insects and animals. And then a whole bunch of the Kurzesagt duck. And a whole bunch of their logo. And then some dinosaurs and like, I guess, ships or tanks and that sort of thing. But this poster is beautiful. And I'll definitely show a bigger shot. So if you want to see more detail, it's got all their little illustrations all over it and then the logo in the center. It's absolutely beautiful. I've spread it out on my desk so that like I can have a look at it. And here is the t-shirt. It's just a simple cotton shirt with the duck on it, which is one of their little sort of mascots. So here's the duck there. There's a little mark on it, but I found that was just a bit of fluff. I'm going to show you all of the stickers so that you can see all the different designs. A bunch of duckies and a bunch of the little worlds, globes, earths, logos, and then a bunch of all these little cute ones. My favorite's this little star. This little like karate star. He's my favorite. I don't know where I'm going to put him, but he's so cute. And they're like thick stickers. Like, I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but they're like those thick vinyl stickers. They're really nice. It's just got a ducky on it and just a regular plain cotton t-shirt. It's nice and soft. It's really pretty. It's really good. It's a medium, so not sure if it'll fit me, but it looks like it will. So I'm kind of excited about that too. It's beautiful. And there's my chocolate bar, holding it up. Had to put candles on that end. Maybe if I stand up, it might be better. It's a little hard for you guys to see the whole thing. You can kind of see my desk. And I wanted you to see how big it is. It's massive. And all the little tiny artworks are so cool. I want to say a humongous thank you to Vera and a huge thanks to the Kurzesagt team themselves. Like, they didn't have to send anything at all. The fact that they thought of my video and sent me something such like a lovely gift. It's so sweet. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys for supporting me, and I hope you guys have a sunshiny day, a wonderful week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!